National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Detroit River, Lake St. Clair, Open Lakeview South, portion St. Clair River until 7 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles west of Lakeport to 22 nautical miles northwest of St. Clair Shores to 25 nautical miles west of Wyandotte, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Baltimore.
What was that?
Around 6 p.m. Small craft could capsize in St. Clair Shores, the Ambassador Bridge, Port Huron, and Gibraltar around 6:05 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge, Elizabeth Park Marina, Metro Beach Metro Park Marina, St. Clair, Grosse Pointe, Grosse Ile, and Belle Isle around 6:10 p.m. Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor and St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 6:15 p.m. Algonac around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by severe thunderstorms include Gibraltar. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
No, seriously, what was that? I heard a beep.
Here is the weather reports for selected evening. Severe
Nothing on-
thunderstorm watch
nothing on
657 in effect
page
until 9
97.
p.m. this evening.